Hey everyone, welcome back to Everyday Hacks. If you're tired of wasting time and money on things that could be simpler, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm sharing 10 life-changing hacks that are not only easy, but will also save you loads of time and cash. So let's dive in.
Stop wasting time untangling cables. Use binder clips to keep your wires organized. Simply attach them to your desk edge and loop your cables through the handles. Voila! No more mess. Fresh herbs can go bad quickly, but freezing them in olive oil makes them last longer and saves you money. Plus, it's a time saver when cooking. Just pop one out when needed.
Why spend on expensive cleaning sprays when you can make one at home? Mix equal parts vinegar and water, add a few drops of essential oil, and you've got a powerful, eco-friendly cleaner.
An old egg carton can double as a jewelry organizer. This hack saves money on fancy organizers and keeps your jewelry sorted.
Plan your meals for the week and stick to a list when grocery shopping. This prevents impulse buys and saves both time and money.
Got small scratches on your phone screen or furniture? A dab of toothpaste can work wonders. Gently rub it in and wipe off for a like-new finish.
Save money and the planet. Reusable bags are a one-time investment that keeps you from buying plastic bags every time you shop.
Don't throw out old sweaters just because they're pilling. Use a razor to remove lint and fabric pills and they'll look as good as new.
Dedicate one day a week to spending nothing. It's a great way to challenge yourself and see just how much you can save.
Save time searching for things in your fridge by using a Lazy Susan. It makes everything accessible with just a spin.
Which of these hacks are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use these tips. Thanks for watching Everyday Hacks, and I'll see you next time with more life-changing tips.